Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you might be able to repair one of your electric kettles. My electric kettle just quit, and I'm after having a couple of these. And the first thing you need to do is to, if your kettle quits, is to check your power cord. So I'm going to turn on my meter here, and it's pretty easy if you've got a multimeter, but I mean you could always use an extra plug-in. These are kind of like a computer plug-in, so you could double check. So what you do is you just put your terminal in there, and I could get the meter in the shot, I suppose. Okay, that's okay. Let's get it there. Center one here. That wire is good, and that wire is good. So we know the cord is okay. So the next thing you need to do is you need to get at this area here of the kettle where the switch is and all that. So what you do is you remove these two screws here, 1 and 2, and there's 2 more screws here, you see, here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them now and take this piece off the back here to expose this area here. Okay, as you can see, I have the lid taken off here in the back piece. This piece comes off after you get those 4 screws removed. Next thing I'm going to want to do is to, if I can get some lighting in here, yeah, that's pretty good. I want to check continuity between here, and also up in here. You can check there too, because this is kind of like a 3-way element system. But here's the main element here, so I'm going to put my meter on continuity check and see if it beeps. So this is the 2 areas that I'm going to be testing. So here we go. I'm pretty sure it's not the element, so we're going to check it here. So the 1 screw, okay, that's good, and check the other one up here just to be. I'm going to have to take this over the shot. Sorry about that, just to check it. That's fine. Okay, everything's checking out. Yep. Okay. Just need to show you what I was doing here. I checked the right to the element, but also you want to check from here to the plug-in here, which is very difficult to do in this shot here, but I will show you. Let's see if I can do this. That's the center pin up there. Very difficult to do. There we go. Let's make a connection, and I can't see it. Anyway, what you're doing is you're making sure the connections between those 3 screws and these 3 pins here. However, once I got this off, I seen the issue, and it's going to be very difficult to show you because I don't have the proper lighting. But let me show you. Inside here there's a small push pin in here. If I can get that close enough and work the switch, you might be able to see it. You see where it plunges down? It's down in the bottom left. There we go. You see that little switch, the little white switch that's showing up there? Yeah, you see that? It was stuck, and now it's free. So I'm going to remove the light, and I'm going to try to point it out to you. Let me see, what have I got here? Small screwdriver. Okay, and the switch. If I can get this wire out of the way, maybe might be able to see it a bit better. There we go. There is the switch right there at the end of my screwdriver. Little white switch, and when it shuts off here, you see when it shuts off, it pushes in on that plunger there. So what was happening, the switch, when this popped out, this little switch was stuck in right there. It was stuck in, but now it's out. Trying to get a good shot of it there. My fingers are in the way, but I'll keep working it back and forth. Maybe you might see it in the shot. that little plunger, when this was flicking up, that unit here was flicking up, the little plunger pin in there is kind of spring loaded, was stuck down. So I'm pretty sure this is going to work. So this is the part where I suggest you don't do this. But I am going to check it now. I'm going to put the plug in here, and it's not plugged in yet, by the way. Okay. And if you're not comfortable with this repair, do not attempt it. Simple as that is all I can tell you. But get that wire on in there. Now let's see. Going to do a little cheat here. And come over here and turn off that light. And let's see if it's going to turn on. I'm not touching anything. I don't suggest you try this at home, everybody, but I just want to show you. There you go. It's lighting up again. And I'm not going to leave that on for long because I don't want the element to burn out. Anyway, that's how to repair the Sunbeam kettle. Unplug this. It's better than going and have to buy another one. So that's how you repair the Sunbeam kettle. And all these kettles are pretty well all the same. All these switch mechanisms in the back, Procter and Silex and whatever kettle you got, chances are it's going to be the same. And this is how you might be able to repair your kettle. Good luck, and thanks for watching.